Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Ruike P-801 SB here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of videos right over here. So let's get started. This is a really nice one, guys. It's the Ruike P-801 SB. This is the blacked out version. It's a fantastic knife. It's a budget knife. It's really cool. Probably one of my favorite between, yeah, I mean, budget knives. You can't go wrong with this guy. Easy to sharpen. It's cheap. It's well made. And let's see if we can improve the action, because it's snappy. I mean, you have a thumb stud like that, and you have a flipper tab like that. So the closing action, you see, needs a little bit of wiggling, but of course this guy's running on washer. And let's see what we can do for this guy over here. So let's get started. You're gonna need, I think this is a T6 and that's a T8, but let's check it out. There you go, that's a T6, which has been Loctited, so just be careful. And this guy over here as well. This is it's a nice one, guys. I don't know. Nice standoffs. This is not a T6 for sure. It's looking to be kind of like a T8. I don't remember if the pivot here is spinning or not. Didn't spin. There is even like a pivot. Oh, it's not spinning. Look at that. It's even D-shaped. I forgot about that. So if this doesn't want to come out, just use something like that to just wedge in a little bit. Just be very gentle. No need to force anything in life, but especially when you are disassembling a knife, you don't want to do that. You want to actually remove this grease from here. All right, so let's see, maybe we can maybe improve something, because there's a thick grease in the bearing pockets, which I'm suspecting to be subtracting a little bit from the action, like the potential action that we have in this budget one. I think we can do something. Let's see. Just a lighter weight nano oil. So bearings are done. Let's just clean area around the pivot. Just like so, nice and clean. This side, it's done. So we are pretty much done, guys. Don't forget the stop pin, which is going right over here. Yeah, so you see the indentation is there, so this guy must go somewhere like this way, something like that. So then you are in business. Grab your nano oil, and I'm just gonna do 1, 2, and 3, and 1 and 2 and 3 drops, and just a little tiny one on the detent ball. And then you can just sandwich your bearings in 1 and 2, and in they go in your pivot. And then just key in the scale. So let me see, these are keyed in? No, so this can go anywhere. There you go. So this looks to be, yeah, in place now. Nice and snappy sound. And we are in business with the T6 for the back. Screw number 1 and number 2. So handle screws are done. We're gonna just come back in a second, release the tension, change the bit. T8 is in, blue Loctite is in, and we are gonna coat, you know what, this is a tiny one, so just go with the hands. Just coat the thread like so. And T8, and boom. This guy is in. You want to spread a little bit the oil, something like that. And then we want to check for blade play, which is none. I think I over tightened a little bit this guy. Let me see. Blade is still centered. Let me see. So I think they actually improved a little bit, not like visibly, but you can actually feel that it's a little bit lighter. This is still a brand new knife, so it needs some breaking in period, and I said it was on washer, and as you can see it's on bearings, of course. It's something that I do. I say bearings or washers when I know what's inside, or sometimes I don't. I'm just but I'm thinking, yeah, I think it has improved the action, but not to the point that I'm like wowed by the action. I mean, still pretty good for a budget knife, and I think we improved it, but I think we can do a little bit better. Maybe with some use, maybe some more breaking in period. Actually, I'm already feeling like getting smoother every time I flip this guy. So I think this is going to be a pretty cool one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.